Hello and welcome. In this video, I will demonstrate how to use Excel to fit quadratic model. So this is the questions. You have variable x represent the pressure. You have variable y represent the mileage. So I will do the last one. Fit the model, and to do this one, we have to calculate the coded value for u, okay? And u is based on this formula. So we need to calculate the average of x, the standard deviation of x, and then calculate the u value. After that, we fit the model in this format. Okay. All right, so I have data node here, my data here. Okay, so let's calculate the mean of x. It's just the average of this number. Then standard deviation, so equal STDV. This is a sample, so I select dot S. Okay, so now I can calculate the variable u. So u equal to x minus mean, and the result divided by standard deviation, Because the mean and standard deviation is the same for all data, so I will change this to absolute cell reference. So press F, function F4. And there I will change the standard deviation to absolute cell reference. Okay, now I copy down the formula. So I got variable u. And the requirement also asks me to fit the quadratic model. Here, so I also need variable u squared. Okay, so I create variable u squared. It is just the square of each u. And copy down the formula. Okay, now I'm ready to use Excel to fit quadratic model. So to use Excel, this is my x1, this is my x2. So you go to data analysis, multiple regression. Input y range, y is here. This is y, including the labels. The x is these two x. I have 2x. This is multiple regression. So the output range, I will just put in here. That's it. Okay, button. So this is my output range from Excel. If you compare this result from the SPSS, you should get the same result. So here I have for SPSS, how do you do this? SPSS, first you need to create Z value. This is original data. So first you need to create Z value. Okay, to create Z value, you just need to go to descriptive statistics and check out save standardized values as variables, so that you have the Z value. Okay, and after that, you go to regression curve estimation, and then fill out the parameters. Okay, so SPSS will give you the result like this. This is SPSS result. Now let's compare with the result from Excel I just got. This is my Excel result. I just try to adjust the screen so that they are side by side, easy compare. So I have ANOVA table here. Okay, so I got F-test statistic 44, correct. Degree of freedom, SSMS. Okay, so the value is the same here, the ANOVA score. For the coefficient, if you look at the coefficient, compared to coefficient, so intersect, standardized coefficient, you see the constant 37, I got 37 here. In SPSS, they call constant. In Excel, they call intersect. Okay, and then the Z-score pressure X, I get negative 0.46, negative 0.46. The coefficient for the second term, is negative 5.33, negative 5.33. So they are consistent with, regardless you use Excel or SPSS, the same result. Okay, that's conclude my presentation for this short video. This video is based on a question from student. So, where is my screen? Stop sharing. There are so many windows opened. Not this one. Okay, I got this one. Okay, thanks for watching.